Hi, future leaders. Welcome back to Dr. Talk Talk TV, the channel that helps teenagers grow, lead, and become their best selves. Today, we are diving into something super personal and powerful 10 ways to discover whom you are as a teenager. Look, growing up can feel like being in a maze with no map. One moment you are confident, the next you are, wait, who even am I? Where this video is your map to self-discovery. So grab a pen, sit back, let's go deep with fun stories and relatable examples. And tips that actually works. Let's go. Number one, try new things regularly. Story time. Meet a shy 15 years old Tolu who thought she was just average. One day, her school announced drama edition. She had never acted before, but gave it a shot. Guess what? She killed it. Now, leading her school plays and dreaming of Nollywood. Take away this as a teenager. You wouldn't know who you are unless you try new things. Like sports, music, coding, public speaking, volunteering, anything. Tips to note: join clubs at school, volunteer in your community, say yes to opportunities that scares you a little. 2. Reflect on what makes you happy. Happiness leaves clues. When you feel most alive, that is a big hint towards who you truly are. Do this exercise as a teenager. Ask yourself, when was the last time I felt excited, proud, or peaceful? For example, if you are always prone after helping friends solve problems, maybe you are a future counselor or leader. Do this journal prompt. I feel happiest when dash and complete the sentence daily for a week. Number 3, listen to what people notice about you. Story time. Chinedu never saw himself as a leader, but his classmates always come to him for advice. His teachers trusted him to handle class duties. He eventually realized and asked himself, who am I actually? A leader or what? As a teenager, ask others, what did you think I am good at? When have you seen me at my best? Hints to note: people often see strengths in us before we do. Number 4, explore your culture and your roots. Personal identity equals to cultural awareness. Story time. Fatima grows up thinking her culture is boring. But after visiting her village and learning about her great-grandmother's bravery, she realized that her root is powerful and started writing poems about it. Tip to note as a teenager: interview your parents or your great-grandparents and learn your native languages, because knowing your roots helps you understand your place in the world. Number 5, notice what makes you angry or passionate. What fires you up reveals your purpose. For example, if injustice or bullying makes you mad, maybe you are future activist, lawyer, or leader. Story time. Emeka could not stand how people with disabilities were treated in his school. He started a podcast to talk about inclusion. Now he's building a movement. Ask yourself those questions as a teenager. What can I not ignore? What do I deeply care about? Number 6, write your story. Reflective exercise. Imagine your life is a book. What title would it have right now? Challenge yourself. This is who I think I am. No filter. Just be raw. Take this bonus idea. Record yourself talking about your life so far. Watch it later. You may be surprised how much you will learn about yourself. Number 7, understand your strengths and your weaknesses. Self-awareness equals to superpower. Tips for you as a teenager. Use free online personality tags like 16 personalities, MBT, and VI character strength survey. For example, if you are great at organizing but hate being on stage, that is cool. Maybe you are the genius behind the scenes. A quick reminder, you don't have to be good at everything as a teenager. Just know what you bring to the table. Number 8, be comfortable spending time alone. Yeah, alone equals to lonely. Story time. Adaeze used to fill every moment with noise, TikTok, chatting, music. But when she tried quiet time, she started hearing her own thoughts. That is when self-discovering for her truly began. Take these ideas. Take 30 minutes in a week to unplug. Go on a solo walk and meditate or pray. The more you listen to yourself as a teenager, the clearer your identity becomes. Number 9, set personal goals. Knowing what you want equals knowing who you are. For example, Daniel set a goal to read 12 books in a year. By the 6th books, he discovered that he was passionate about economics and entrepreneurships. Now, he's planning a team business club. Try this. Writing short-term goals. 1 for school, 1 for personal life, and 1 for what you are passionate about. That is your passion. Track how they help you grow and see who you will become in the process. Number 10, embrace change. It's part of discovering. Growth equals change. You are not supposed to be the same person at 13 and 18. That is growth. Story time. When Blessing changed school, she has to reintroduce herself. At first, it was caring, but then she realized this is the chance for me to choose who I want to be. Final thoughts. You don't find yourself once and for all. You keep discovering as you grow. Self-discovering is not a final destination. It's a lifelong adventure. But as a teenager, the seeds you plant now will grow into the person you become tomorrow. Comment below one thing you have to discover about yourself. I want to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share to fellow teenagers who need to hear this message. This is Dr. Talk Talk TV. Remember, the future belongs to you. So, make it count.